Hi guys, today we are going to talk about top 10 mysteries of outer space. 10. Simulacrum in Eagle Nebula. One of the most bizarre photographs that has ever been taken of space is that of the Eagle Nebula. The photograph itself should show the introduction of a star from the vaporous mists. In any case, when the photograph was appeared on CNN, several calls rolled in from individuals announcing they could see a face in the cloud. At the point when the shade of the photograph was changed, an enormous human structure appeared to show up inside the cloud. Researchers have not had the option to clarify this wonders, however list verse entirely potential has on this rundown, see Thing 1. You can peruse more about it here. 09. Where did galaxies come from? Science has as of late had the option to clarify where the stars and planets came from. Presently, researchers have directed their concentration toward a lot greater secret: where did cosmic systems come from? What is known as the cosmic systems are not dissipated haphazardly all through space. Rather, they are found in groups, known as superbunches. Researchers have two fundamental speculations to endeavor to clarify cosmic system arrangement. To begin with, the gas left over from the enormous detonation bunched together to shape cosmic systems, in which stars and planets were conceived. Second is that gas from the enormous detonation made stars and planets everywhere on the universe, and they relocated through gravity into worlds. Neither one of the theories has been generally acknowledged at this point. 08. Other Earths. Our star, the Sun, is only one of trillions known to man. At the point when you take a gander at the way that our star has 8 planets, and crunch the numbers, it discloses to you that it is feasible for there to be 8-fold the number of planets known to man than stars, a shocking figure. Is it unrealistic that only one of those planets may have life on it? Since the year 2000, several extra Sun-based planets have been found circling removed stars. A portion of these have discovered to be Earth-like, for example, the planet Gliese 581d, a planet accepted to have fluid water on its surface. Would it be able to perhaps contain life? Ideally, with propulsion innovation in the following decade, we will before long know the appropriate response. Till at that point, it stays probably the best secret. 07. Are there any universes? This is one of the more dubious contentions out there. The hypothesis is that there are a limitless number of universes, every which is represented by its own arrangement of laws and material science. Numerous researchers excuse this contention as just hypothesis, as there is no proof or numerical law that takes into account the presence of different universes. Notwithstanding, adherents to this hypothesis have contended that there are none that discredit it, all things considered. This is one secret which must be fathomed on the off chance that we had the option to go there. Notwithstanding, with the extension of the universe, it is impossible humankind will actually discover the appropriate response. 06. Dark matter. Albert Einstein's condition E=mc² is maybe the most popular condition of the century. Anyway, when applied to space, a peculiarity happens. At the point when we use it to decide how much issue the universe ought to have, we understand that we have just discovered 4% of the issue known to mankind. Where is its remainder? Many trust it is as dull issue. Where is this dim issue? It's all over the place, any place there is no noticeable issue. Researchers still can't seem to show any decisive confirmation that dim issue does, truth be told, exist. The way that you can't see it, contact it, and light and radio waves go directly through it courageous makes it incredibly difficult to recognize. 05. Mars-Earth connection. When discussing life on different planets, some state we need go no farther than our own nearby planetary group. Mars has consistently been thought to hold life by numerous intrigue scholars, saying that NASA is concealing it. Numerous photographs have additionally raised doubt about progress on Mars. For example, the face on Mars, pyramids on Mars, and photograph of what has all the earmarks of being a primate-like figure sitting on a stone on Mars. While researchers have come out to expose these photographs, they have likewise conceded that they accept fluid seas once covered the outside of Mars before its attractive field vanished. Is it conceivable that life did undoubtedly once exist? The current missions to Mars would like to respond to this inquiry. 04. UFO sightings by NASA astronauts. NASA astronauts are probably the most exceptionally prepared and concentrated individuals on the planet. Frequently they are master researchers that can clarify nearly anything. So when they see something they can't clarify, you can wager it will cause a stir. One of the most acclaimed occurrences happened on a live transmission on NBC in 1963. Major Gordon Cooper was toward the finish of his 22-circle solo excursion around the Earth when he said that out of one of his windows he could see a shining green article quick drawing nearer. The article at that point made a sharp dismiss and shot. Act. 03. White holes. One of Albert Einstein's most noteworthy achievements was the demonstrating, however arithmetic, the presence of dark openings. From the advances in innovation, we currently have had the option to locate a few dark openings, and trust one to be at the focal point of our own special Milky Way cosmic system. What is shocking, in any case, is the thing that Einstein likewise demonstrated through his conditions. White openings additionally exist. The specific inverse of dark openings. White openings are accepted to let out a staggering measure of issue from apparently nothing. Such an article should be anything but difficult to track down, yet none have been. In the event that one was discovered, it might assist us with clarifying other obscure secrets, for example, where the material that made the universes came from. 02. Ruins on Moon. In this rundown we have talked about the chance of life on removed planets, and in close-to planets. In any case, might it be able to potentially at once as close as the Moon? This fear-inspired notion expresses that there are in fact antiquated vestiges and structures on the Moon. Yet the public authority has been controlling them from the general population. This hypothesis had no sponsorship until two ongoing forward leaps. A man who professes to have worked for the public authority controlling moon photographs approached with a few clarifying how the restriction was done and that surely there were structures on the Moon. Last one. Dark energy. Dark energy is the best secret known to mankind today, in light of the way that it is accepted to be surrounding us. And it discloses why there is by all accounts peculiarities inside the law of gravity. By the law of gravity, enormous particles, similar to world bunches, ought to draw in one another. And their gravitational force should pull in different items. This in any case, isn't the situation, and the truth of the matter is most system groups are moving farther separated. This is because of the way that the universe is growing at an amazing rate. To address the subject of why this is, researchers built up the hypothesis of dark energy, which has the contrary impact as gravity, pushing things separated. Numerical figurings have demonstrated that on the off chance that it exists, it makes up 74% of our universe, exceeding gravity. And this is the reason the universe is loosening up. Anyway, we actually have no indisputable evidence, so it stays a secret to us. Okay, please subscribe my YouTube channel. See you again, bye.